Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you all doing good. And today's we reached 200 subscriber in our YouTube channel within a 1 month. I'm really thankful to you all for your support. Without you, I cannot do anything. I cannot grow in YouTube. So again, I'm saying thanks to you. And please keep on support my channel and encourage me. And today I am going to give the tips for thyroid, leg pain and diabetic. This is a natural remedy. You can make it from your home itself. First of all, you take the 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of clove. Take these ingredients and take 1 glass of water, make it boil at night and keep it for 12 hours, and then early morning once you wake up, filter the water and drink in empty stomach. It will help to reduce your leg pain. Some diabetics patients have the burning in the legs, that also solved with this remedy, and it is good for thyroid patients. So kindly try this one and tell me your feedback in the comment box, and please try to share this message to your family and your friends. Maybe it will help for them, and keep supporting me for our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a nice day.